All ortho and para-directing groups possess non-bonding pair of electrons on the atom which is directly attached to aromatic ring. We have seen the example of phenol. In that oxygen atom, it contains two non-bonding pair of electrons, also called as lone pair of electron. So two pair of electrons, non-bonding pair of electrons on the oxygen atom which is directly attached to aromatic ring or haloarenes or aryl halides or methoxy group. When it is attached to benzene ring, oxygen atom, it has a non-bonding pair of electrons. But methyl group is an exception. Methyl or alkyl groups are ortho and para directing, but it has no non-bonding electron pair on atom. This is due to special type of resonance, that is hyperconjugation. In aryl halides ARX, halogen is deactivating because of strong minus I effect, that is strong negative inductive effect. As it withdraws electrons, it is more electronegative, so it shows strong negative inductive effect. Overall electron density on the benzene ring decreases. So when halogen X, it is attached to benzene ring, then the overall electron density on the benzene ring decreases. So therefore it is said to be deactivating group, halogen, and therefore it makes electrophilic substitution difficult, as the electrophile, that is E+, that is positive ions electron deficient species, it is attached to electron rich center. But as due to presence of halogen to aromatic ring, due to minus I effect, electron density decreases, therefore electrophilic substitution becomes difficult. However, due to resonance, electron density on ortho and para position is greater than meta position. Halogen is deactivating group due to this reason just we have seen, but it is ortho para directing group due to resonance, not meta directing. This is due to electron density at ortho and para position compared to meta position is greater. Therefore, halogens are ortho and para directing. From the resonance structures of chlorobenzene, here let's see the resonance structures of chlorobenzene. From that we can understand electron density, it is maximum at ortho and para position, therefore it is halogen is ortho para directing. See this first structure here, chlorobenzene, chlorine, that is one halogen which is having three non-bonding pair of electrons or lone pair of electrons. So chlorine is directly attached to benzene ring. Then the second structure we can draw, and by showing the arrow, so the lone pair, one lone pair, it is shifted to adjacent bond between chlorine and carbon, and the adjacent pi bond is shifted on the carbon atom which is at ortho position. Second structure we get from this, we can write double bond between carbon chlorine. Chlorine carry positive charge, and at ortho second position carbon carry negative charge. Then again, so as to write the third structure, shifting of pi electrons, we can show with the arrow that electron which is a pair of electron which is at second position, ortho position, shifted to adjacent bond, and adjacent pi bond is shifted to para carbon. So we get third structure where the para position carry negative charge, and the ortho here the bond is shifted between these two carbon atoms. So we get third structure. Other bond position, it remains as it is, or the chlorine atom, hydrogen and carbon atom remains as it is, only the delocalization of electron pairs, so that are the resonance structures. Now the fourth structure, which is formed by shifting of this electron, pi electron, to adjacent bond, and this bond pi electron is shifted to ortho position. So we get ortho 1,6 position having negative charge, and the bond is formed between these two carbons. And again, by shifting the pi electrons, we get fifth structure. So where the position of double bond, first and fifth structure here, bond positions are different. So these resonance structures of chlorobenzene, ortho and para position, electron density is greater, therefore halogen is deactivating group and ortho para directing group. So product, major product formed when chlorine is attached to benzene ring, and on further substitution takes place at ortho and para position. Meta directing and deactivating group. Nitro group NO2, here nitrogen carry positive charge on this nitro group, NO2 nitronium ion. Now NH3 plus nitrogen carry positive charge, ammonium group, then cyanide C triple bond and cyano group, carbon carry partial positive and nitrogen partial negative, aldehyde group, formyl group C double bond O H, then keto group C double bond O R, carboxyl C double bond O OH, then sulfonic acid group S double bond O OH, etc. All meta directing groups have positive or partial positive charge on the atom which is directly attached to an aromatic ring. For example, if this group, it is directly NO2 group directly attached to benzene through this valency which is shown here, dash, which is unsatisfied valency shown in each group, that means this is attached directly to the benzene ring, so which carry positive charge, or in some groups carry partial positive charge on the atom which is directly attached to an aromatic ring. The group which direct the incoming group to meta positions are called meta directing groups. Then let's see meta directive influence of nitro group, NO2 group, can be explained by resonance theory. Meta directing group withdraws electrons from aromatic ring by resonance, making ring electron deficient. Therefore, meta groups are ring deactivating groups. Due to -I, that is negative inductive effect of NO2 group, electron density in benzene ring at ortho and para position is reduced. Therefore, incoming group can attack at meta positions easily. Let's see resonance structure of nitrobenzene. Nitro group NO2, it is deactivating group. Nitro group, in this it is directly attached to the aromatic ring, so the molecule is nitrobenzene. Due to -I effect and deactivating group, here electron density reduces in the benzene ring. This group withdraws electrons from the aromatic ring by resonance. So let's study the various resonance structure of nitrobenzene. So this is first nitrobenzene nitro group, that is nitrogen oxygen double bond and nitrogen oxygen single bond, which carry negative charge, 3 lone pairs, non-bonding pair of electron on it, 1 oxygen. Nitrogen here 4 bonds therefore carry positive charge, and this oxygen having 2 lone pair of electrons. Now the resonance, it can be shown with the double headed arrow, and the shifting of electrons with this arrow. This pi electron of the benzene ring, it is shifted to adjacent bond, and then the pi electron between nitrogen and oxygen that remain on the oxygen atom, shifted to oxygen atom. Here as this group withdraws, so we can show the arrow with this, it withdraws electron density towards itself, therefore it is a deactivating group, which is meta-directing. Let's see from this structure. Now here in the second structure, double bond is between, as this pi electron moves to this position, so double bond between nitrogen and oxygen, and this atom remain as it is, which carry negative charge here to this oxygen. Now this pi electron on the oxygen atom, therefore here also 3 lone pair of electron and negative charge. The other bond position remains as it is. Now the next structure we can draw this here. Now as the electron from this carbon, it is go away, therefore this carbon carry positive charge. This is the ortho position, 1,2 position. Now next this can be adjacent bond, it is pi electron is shifted to the adjacent bond, so that this positive charge becomes neutral. Here other groups remain as it is, negative charge for one oxygen, other also 3 lone pairs carry negative charge, nitrogen positive. Now by shifting this electron to adjacent bond, here we get this type of the structure. This is remain as it is, so positive charge now it is on the para position, as the electron it is go away from this position. Then the next structure, which is the fourth structure, resonating structure. Now this is shifted in this way to adjacent bond position. Here we get other structure, where we can show the electron here, bond is here, this bond is remain as it is. Now positive charge on this carbon, as this bond or pi electron shifted to adjacent position, so the positive charge on ortho position. Now this can be shifting to disappear this positive charge, and here we get again this structure where the pi electrons, it is on this way, then the nitro group, so that is the resonance structure of nitrobenzene. Now ortho and para positions have comparatively less density. If we see all these structures, positive charge is on ortho position and para position, so comparatively it is having less density than meta position. So therefore the electrophile attack to the meta position, where the electron density is more as compared to ortho and para. Therefore nitrobenzene on further substitution carried out using electrophile, it gives meta product as a major product. Next point is carcinogenicity and toxicity. Benzene is both carcinogenic, which is cancer causing, and toxic. It is considered as mother of all carcinogens. Larger number of carcinogens have structures. Those include benzene rings. Polycyclic aromatic compounds are produced by incomplete combustion of tobacco, coal and petroleum. In liver, benzene is oxidized to epoxide benzopyrene converted into an epoxydiol. These substances are carcinogenic. Therefore, they react with DNA, which can induce mutation leading to uncontrolled growth of cells.